Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Well, today we got another good one for you. We're gonna do a slot dog, but not just a regular slot dog. I've seen several videos, people just use regular hot dogs. We're gonna kick it up a notch. We're gonna do a sausage slot dog with a twist. So you're gonna wanna hang around for this one. So hang tight. Okay, well, on this one, we actually don't have a whole lot of ingredients. I've got some sweet peppers, yellow, red, and orange, and I've got a small onion that I've chopped up. So this is smoked sausage. You see it in the grocery store all the time. I'm going to take it, cut it in half, cut these end pieces off like that. Like that. All right. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use something I've had for a while. This little gadget is called a slot dog. Okay. The idea is you take hot dogs and you roll this down over it like this, and it cuts these slots in it, which opens it up to let condiments or whatever else you're putting in it. So we're doing a slot dog with a little twist today. This is going to be a sausage slot dog. Now, one thing I'm going to have to say is the sausage, you really got to bear down on to get it to cut it and go in like that. But you can see it really does cut down in it. You just have to rock it. And it puts these slots in it. It does do that. You just have to rock it. And it cuts the slots in it. It sort of opens it up for whatever you're going to do to it. And here's the last one. And you see, we've opened these up, and you twist them, you can see how it cuts into it and opens it up. All right, well, we're going to take these out to the grill, and then we'll bring you back. Okay, so we've got our cast iron pan going. I'm going to dump the onions in it. And our peppers. And we got it sort of on a, well, it's probably medium high right this second. It's not hot, but I want to cook these down a little bit. Not necessarily brown them, but get them good and tender. I don't have my Blackstone set up right now. This would be something I would be doing on the Blackstone. But I like my cast iron, so Lord knows I use it enough. I'm going to add just a little something else, just to kick it up a little bit. Not a ton, but if I can get in it. There we go. This, and I just took the label off of it, is horseradish. And I'm going to take just a little bit, maybe a teaspoon, maybe. It's definitely horseradish. stir this in. These onions. Good. Get back in there. All right. And I like pepper. Well, let's put a little black pepper on them. That'll kick it up a little notch. Oh man, I love the way this smells. All right, well, let's let that cook and we'll bring you back. Okay, well, my peppers, and onions, and horseradish is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoop them up into a bowl here. I'm telling you, somebody needs to invent smell-o-vision. This is just, I don't know why I like this smell so much, but it just, the combination of the onions and the peppers and all that good stuff, it's just good stuff. All right. All right. This, honestly, I don't know exactly what's in this. This was sent to us by Uncle Steve from Uncle Steve's Shake. It's not even labeled. I have an idea what it is. I know what he's working on, and he sent me a little of this to try. So what better place to try it, right? So I'm going to take and sprinkle this down into these. See how they open up into these little cavities in these slot dogs. And oh, that's going to be good. And I've tried it. It's got a good flavor. Uncle Steve, I think that's going to be a winner. All right, so let's take these out to the grill. Got the grill warmed up. I think it's ready to go. We'll carry this out, put this on the grill, and we'll bring you back when we do that. All right, well, let's take and slide these sausage slot dogs off on the grill here. Close them up and let them cook on the backside for a minute or two. And when it gets ready, we'll turn it and we'll bring you back and show you that. Okay, we've turned them over, and this is the other side. And the heat really does open them up. So you got to be really careful when you turn them, because they're opened up and they will come apart. You cut that casing on one side. Now I'm sure this is probably true, not as much with a regular hot dog weenie, but with sausage, once you cut that case, you have to be really careful. And of course, that's what the slot dog does. Okay, well, you see we've gotten them off the grill. We've got a little bit of a char on the top. They did actually hold together pretty well. Now it still has that skin on the other side. I've taken these hoagie buns and I'm going to put the slot dog down in him like that. Now you use anything you want to. This is a little honey Dijon mustard. I like it with the peppers and the onions. So we're going to put that on it. This is our peppers and onions, and they're still hot. And we're going to take and put these on. My goodness, still got butter all running in it. Oh my goodness, that's going to be good. So, there it is. That's my version of a sausage slot dog. Okay, well, as I always say, this is my favorite part, and this is the fruit of the labor. Now I'm going to tell you, I've had one of these before. This is good stuff. So I'm going to dive in. The sausage, I can taste that honey Dijon. I can taste the horseradish. I didn't put a whole lot in it, but with the peppers and the onions and that Uncle Steve shake, oh my goodness, that's good stuff. If you don't know about Uncle Steve Shake, go to UncleSteveShake.com, look him up. He's got something that goes with everything, and he's got something that goes with everything. So look him up. Thanks for hanging around. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button over here. We'll have another video for you on this side. Until next time, hang tight.